Hey there everyone, it's Hillary of Creative Faith, and today I have an awesome process video in my illustrating Bible in the book of Esther. I was driving in the car the other day and a song came on the radio that I had never heard before. It's called Remind Me by Blanca. I love listening to K-Love. So I pretty much always have Christian music on the radio when I drive, and I heard this song and I just felt like the words were just speaking to my heart, and then immediately the story of Queen Esther popped in my mind, and I knew I wanted to journal the lyrics to this song in my Bible with the book of Esther. And so I have a digital kit in my shop called Chosen, the story of Esther's story and my story. So thinking about how Esther's story is connected to ours and how we are similar to her. And so I will put a link in the description box below for you guys to pick up this kit from my Etsy shop. It is one of my favorite kits. I love this girl that I drew, this silhouette. I think it's just so beautiful to think about Queen Esther and her royal crown and what she went through and how God used her in such a mighty way. So I wanted to read the lyrics to you guys. It says, I take a look around and I start falling apart, get caught up in the moment and forget who you are, trying to solve my problems before they even begin, worries stacking up and it's too much for my heart. When I'm under pressure, you hold me together, you've always been faithful too. Remind me, you are all I need, and you are everything, and you are always with me. Even in my darkest hour, you remind me of your love and your faithfulness. You love me every way till I won't forget. It's true whenever I need it. You're there to remind me. And so I was thinking a lot about the part that says, when I'm under pressure, you hold me together. And I was just thinking about the pressure that Queen Esther probably experienced when she was dealing with this evil guy, and when Mordecai, her family member, asked her to go to the king, the pressure of that, and how Esther was call everyone together to pray. And I just think that is so telling of her faith, to know that that's what she should do in a time like this. And so in my life right now, when you guys are watching this, my sister got married on the 15th, September 15th, and I'm filming this right before the wedding. And we're doing a sleepover for her the night before her wedding in my apartment, and so there's just been a lot going on, and I just recently moved and dealing with things at my job at the church and dealing with things in my personal life, and I just feel like, oh my goodness, there's so much pressure. I am so overwhelmed all the time. And so when I heard these lyrics, I just thought, oh my goodness, what a reminder that God's the one that holds me together, and He always reminds me of His faithfulness. So for the process on this page, I'll kind of walk through what I did and put down on the page now. So I was at the store the other day. I was at Tuesday morning getting some new goodies for you guys. Every time you order a physical order from my shop, you get a little goodie bag of free stuff, including stickers and washi tape and die cuts and things like that. And so I was at Tuesday morning getting some more things, and I saw this really cute stamp set by Maggie Holmes, and she is one of my favorite designers, and I love this little leaf pattern, and I just thought it kind of matched the eclectic kind of design on the crown of Queen Esther. I thought it looked kind of royal, and so I kind of stamped that down on the four corners to kind of frame the page. And then I printed off Queen Esther on clear sticker paper, and I'll have that linked below if you want to grab some on Amazon. And so I did that and carefully put the large sticker piece down on the paper, and then I'm just using a pen to write out the lyrics to the song. And so this is a really cool idea if you are maybe stuck and don't know what to, you want to get creative in your time with God, but you don't know what to do, I would highly suggest listening to Christian music and drawing inspiration from a song. And you never know how God's going to use that to speak into your heart and your life and encourage you and encourage others. So definitely go check out this song by Blanca, Remind Me, if you need encouragement also. So I'm just writing out those lyrics, and again, be sure to check out this kit in my Etsy shop. It is one of my favorites, and there's a lot of kind of fall-ish colors, and there's really beautiful flowers that I made too. So it's just a perfect kit to illustrate your faith. So now I really wanted something on the top. I was trying to use this paper clip that I had made, and I did not like it at all. It was just awkward, and so I have a lot of Maggie Holmes paper, and I thought that would match perfectly with the stamp set. And so I'm kind of going through and pulling out some paper that I like, and I'll use my tab punch there. Then I glue it down, and I add some washi tape over top of it just to make sure it stays down and just to add kind of another little layer. I was thinking, oh, it's kind of busy with like the pattern in the paper and the pattern in the background and the pattern in the washi, but I don't know, I kind of like how it turned out, and it's just this fun eclectic mix and a beautiful time pausing and remembering how God is the one who holds us together. So my prayer for you today is that you remember that no matter what hard time you're facing. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you guys get notified when I have new YouTube videos here on my channel. Let me know in the comments down below what you liked, if you had any questions, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, friends!